Oh, right, Freddie. I've invited Grandad Dog up because I was letting you have the opportunity to be nice to him. If you're nasty to him, you're going to have consequences.
Why is your face all yellow, so?
Hey, Freddie, don't interrupt me.
Alright.
Right. So, there will be consequences.
Right.
You will be losing cans of pop and you'll be on house isolation.
Right. Before you finish talking?
Yeah.
Why is your face all yellow? Have you smelled coffee?
Yeah, Freddie, I've spilt coffee on my sign. Freddie.
What do you want me to settle in?
Say hello, Grandad, how are you?
Oh, and then, hey, you fat fuck, how are you?
Right, that's it, your first strike! You blew it on the first time! Right, no cans of pop! Freddie, where have you gone?
Oh, nothing, I just went to the fridge and then I seen this nice kind of pepper.
Put it back, you're not having it!
I started drinking it yesterday and then I put a
Put it back, Freddie! Right! But not listening to me! You're on house isolation.
That is nice and refreshing. Also, wait, and I forgot to take you to early. Do you want to come with me in the kitchen? And...
Why do I need to come? Is it something feels suspicious, Freddie?
No. Nothing. Wow, you see.
What? Right! Go get him! No!
No, I'm going in here and watching a film with Grandad.
Oh!
No, bro.
No!
No.
Freddie, I think you need to go and apologise to Zoe. She's really furious.
No, she should apologise to me.
She's gone in the shower.
Alright, Fatima, I know that.
Stop.
Hello, Brendan. Hello.
Freddie, I think you need to go for a walk.
No.
Now.
No.
Freddie, go for a walk.
No, why don't you go for a walk and lose some weight?
That's right, Freddie, go for a walk.
Alright, Fatty, I'm going.
Go.
Yeah, I'm going. Hey, Grandad.
What? Is this something you need to get first?
No. See, I've already gone. Here, Grandad. Oh, God.
Freddie, just go for your walk and stop trying to... Stop!
I'm trying to aim it at you.
Freddie, just go for a walk.
I'm wet.
That's it. Right, Zoe needs to calm down, alright? So bye.